What is up, you guys? Real quick, I wanted to show you what's inside of my Disney bag that I took my second day going into Hollywood Studios and Epcot. So the first day I took my Stormtrooper Loungefly, and then the second day was Tuesday, and I think I was carrying, oh, there's still the Stormtrooper, yeah, because my stuff was in it. And then I was like, yeah, with my pants, everything matched. So not only is this stuff that like came to me with me in the parks, but it's also like stuff that was like last minute inside the rental, and I just like shoved everything in here. So first thing I see is this sewing kit, and I just grabbed that too because I wanted to show you why I needed the sewing kits. Look at this, my neck pillow. I had this for a while. I washed it before I went, like 3 days before I went, because the foam inside. Yeah, and so look, I washed this too, and also I was like, I don't need this tag inside tag. This, I sewed this in the dark on the way home. Well, I wasn't driving. I drove there. So yeah, anyways, that's that. That was my sewing kit for that. So I'm gonna take everything out because I need to look for my freaking ticket. And I gotta pay it. So there's that. These keep you awake. These are like my favorite. Hold on, my son's coming in. Alright, what is this receipt too? This was a receipt for, whatchamacallit? What is this called? Grand Floridian Cafe. So the cake was $39 if you that was Aiden number 2. His cake, his watermelon lemonade, his breakfast, and his orange juice. And then pancakes by themselves were $15. And then he got the same breakfast, and then my chicken and waffles was $26 with my orange juice. And then basically, yeah, if you pick a restaurant, you can get this patisserie chocolate cake. We got the milk chocolate cake, and then we had it say happy birthday. You could have it say whatever, like 100 different things. And yeah, it's only $40, but in Disney Springs, in its actual bakery, it's a $90 cake. And I don't know if it's a little bit bigger, but yeah, like, why would you pay that difference? So I noticed that, and so I was like, oh, we gotta get a reservation here and go eat here, because I really wanted to take a tour of everything and go to see the what's it called? Hair clip. I wanted to see the gingerbread. And on video, it looks bigger in person. Or on video, it looks bigger than it did in person. These grape Sour Patches are good, but they are open and I don't know. Let's see. It's just a grape. It's not a Sour Patch Kid. It's literally just a grape. Here's my ticket. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know how much it is. There's some fruit tape. What else is in here? Another receipt. Oh, parking. Parking. What is that? What? Oh, free parking with 2 tickets? Regular parking fee must be free. I don't understand. Here's some clean socks, thank goodness. These came in handy. I had them in my backpack for almost everything. See, when you drive and road trip, you can bring anything you want. I was like, dang, because we were going to take flights. Well, we were, but we were looking at them and we were just getting like, do we want to fly? Like my family, we've always drove. These are Christmas gifts. These grand experiences for what was going on in our room on the 7th floor. Like they try to take care of it so well. But we have an email for basically the vice president of a lot of the hotels. So basically he's taking care of it. This is a local car wash thing. This is a play card when before we went to Disney. This is a Christmas card, my Starbucks card for some reason, another Christmas card. Lots of cards, lots of hauls because I don't like to litter in the park, so I have all the hauls. Wrapper in my bag. This is another receipt for Universal. Oh, the bag was $2 and the one of Dumbledore was $63. Yeah. Another hair clip. Oh, hauls that didn't make it. Another receipt to Effingham, Illinois. Our price to fill up was $33.05. That was it. $2.93 for 11 gallons, and we would not go under 60 or 50 miles. And that's what it was. That's amazing. Like, oh my gosh, we were looking at cars when we were renting, and there was like 3 available because we could have extended, but the thing is, and stayed past Christmas. Like, why would we drive through that storm? But we set it for Friday because we obviously were trying to be here for the holidays with our family. Here's one of our Disney cards. There should be 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing 1. Put them on your head. Oh, a mask that I didn't even wear. Oh my gosh, because of my makeup. So I was like filming and I was like, why wear it? There's like 5 people that I've seen my entire time have a mask on and they don't have makeup on. So you know what? It happens, okay? To the best of us. And that's what it is. Here's some maps that we got from our hotels. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even know this. We got like a big kit from Hilton. So let's lots of maps, lots of coupons. What are they until 2023 February? What is it? Oh, Joffrey's has its own blend. What in the heck? I wish I knew this. Oh, you see? He definitely hid this stuff for me. He goes, I just wanted to go to each and every store. But to be honest, in Disney Springs, we only took a tour of this little segment. And then I went to see Planet Hollywood and the Coca-Cola store. And I really wanted some chicken tenders from this chicken guy right here. But we also took like this little tiny bridge right here, and we were like on half the bridge. Yeah, but at some point here is Rainforest Cafe, and I'm so sad. That's where we had our little reservation for, and I had to cancel. I had another reservation in Epcot, but our Epcot day got switched around. I was supposed to go to Epcot super early. But they gave us park hopping tickets for that little mishap of taking our stuff and not being able to find it. So again, they gave us park hopper. And this one, oh, preferred parking for Hollywood Studios. We bought it here, and then we got to park hop or use it again at Epcot. And that's a receipt for parking at Universal. This receipt is for parking at Walt Disney World Hollywood Studios. And more parking. Yeah, because we went to Universal 3 times. So another parking for Universal. This is, oh my gosh, what is this from? I don't even know. It's not to any of my stuff. Oh, what if it was like supposed to be in that car and I took it? Because it doesn't look like, oh, birthday cake candle that I forgot in the room. I'm so mad I forgot the birthday candles. More. This is Sheridan and Howard. Oh, this is in Chicago. We got gas. 11/6/22. 11. This was from that car. I was like taking all types of stuff out of there. 12/22. Where is this at? TA 12/22. This was in Florida somewhere. Florida gas. Total $45 at $2.61 a gallon. And then we got 10 gallons worth. So crazy. There's that other Disney. And my card. Let's see. Key glasses. All types of maps. I just love maps. I don't know why. So I got them all. Even though we didn't go here. Well, this was me in 1997. We went all over the place. But I remember it was Disney Springs back then. So, yeah. So cool. This is gold. I'm going to do this again. Let's see. Lost and Found. Oh, my... This is who helped me. Love them so much at Hollywood Studios. Yeah, I lost my bracelet when I was carrying my Droid. What is this for? More fruit tape, because they're so good, these Annies, I mean. More holes. Oh, this, because my son kept blowing his nose on like that first day. So this helped a lot with it being dry. This little baby Aquaphor. And I'm gonna go through here now. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. This Dooney and Burke illustrations back. I got this area clamshell that I unboxed and kind of like lights up. And then I had a Makeup Forever compact with me. And then these are the lipsticks that I had. I love them all together. I have to throw this lip liner away because I used it to the max. Let's see, barely. This is garbage. This was always a freebie in the Ulta. They're the power liners in Hush Hush Henna. I brought with me MAC, kind of sexy, and you wouldn't get it with the gloss of Cultured. And that's the makeup lipstick that I kept applying. Okay, and forever, I think this clamshell should stay in this bag. Okay, and that's everything that I brought with me in this purse. Bye, guys.